Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how we can basically show something in our site, because at this moment our site is uh, blank totally. We cannot see anything. So I want the site title, this a random title. This is probably our site title. If I go to general tab and then see the site title, so yeah, a random title is the site title. So we can actually fetch this data with the function named blog info. If you go to WordPress functions, you can see all the things you can do with blog info, and here you can see that we can actually use the name, and we can fetch the site title. So let's just check whether this works or not. So I'm gonna write blog info, and within the brackets I have to write name and the semicolon, then save it. Then this should be good to go, and if I click on visit site, then I should see the site title now. So yes, a random title, and if I change the title now, changed, and if I save this one, now if I just reload this one, then I should be able to see the changed subtitle. So a random title changed. So that's how you can use the blog info. With blog info, if you anytime you need to get the site title, you can use this function, and you can do tons of other things with this as well, like the description, the WP URL, admin URL, chart set version, HTML type, and tons of other things that you can actually fetch with the blog info function. So you can play with these things, and you can just fetch whatever you want, whatever you need. So that's about it in my this video. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.